The construction of the main structure of 5 supersized liquefied natural gas storage tanks was completed on Monday in Zhuhai City of South China's Guangdong province. The 5 tanks are the second phase project for a natural gas storage and transportation base named Jinwan Green Energy Port.
项目采用的27万立方米全球最大 LNG 储罐，由中国海油核心技术自主设计，单个储罐高度达65.7米。
The Green Energy Port project will become the largest natural gas storage and transportation base in South China after the second phase is put into operation in 2024. Its annual processing capacity is expected to reach 7 million tons, equivalent to about 10 billion cubic meters of gaseous natural gas.